Writing style informative? Hey, space enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered just how much we're discovering out there in the vast cosmos? With the latest technology? Let's dive into some incredible updates from the James Webb Space Telescope, our newest eye in the sky. First up, the big news. For the first time ever, James Webb has confirmed the existence of an exoplanet, LHS 475b, and it's almost a twin of Earth. Situated 41 light-years away in the Octans constellation, this rocky world opens up thrilling possibilities. Think about it, an Earth-sized planet where the mysteries of its atmosphere are just beginning to unfold. What's really exciting is what this means for future research. We're talking about the potential to study the atmospheres of Earth-like planets light-years away. Now, hold on to your hats because the revelations don't stop there. The James Webb Space Telescope has also given us a breathtaking image showing not one, not 10, but over 45,000 galaxies. This isn't just any picture. It's a deep view into a region known as the Goods Field, where the universe's youngest galaxies are forming stars at incredible rates. This image is key to understanding the early stages of the universe, especially during the epoch of reionization, a critical phase when the cosmos became transparent. And here's something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie: the DART mission. In a groundbreaking test of planetary defense, NASA successfully altered the orbit of an asteroid, Dimorphos, by intentionally crashing a spacecraft into it. This wasn't just for show, it's a crucial step towards protecting Earth from potential future asteroid impacts. The collision changed the asteroid's orbital period by 33 minutes. And yes, telescopes worldwide, including the European Southern Observatory's very large telescope, were watching and collecting data on this cosmic event. Each of these milestones not only pushes the boundaries of what we know about space, but also enhances our capabilities to explore and perhaps one day even travel to these distant worlds. So what's next for James Webb and our cosmic explorations? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: the universe has many more secrets to unveil, and James Webb will be at the forefront, bringing those mysteries into our view. Thanks for joining me today to explore these cosmic frontiers. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the universe.